Remember Tim and Jane? When Tim and Jane first sat down with Oscar, he showed Tim how this Swiss company was mining digital money for them 24/7, while they were accumulating gold and silver. When Tim and Jane first began, Oscar asked them if they would like to have many people mining this digital money, or if they would prefer to mine it alone, just like a real gold or silver mine. He went on to explain, if you have lots of people digging, you probably get a lot more gold out of the mine than if it were just you. So Oscar gave them different options to start from. He said you can set up a free account and buy your Swiss certified gold and silver for just $2.97 above spot price, and additional mining power starting from $30. This would also pay them a daily return, but they wouldn't be getting paid for referring others to buy Swiss gold, silver, or digital mining. To receive those bonuses, he would need to upgrade to at least the silver package. The silver package would give them real silver each month and get him started with mining power to mine their digital currency. That alone is a far better return than any bank would currently give them. He then went on to explain if you upgrade to the gold package, straight away you have 2.5 more times people mining the digital currency for you. Oscar explained that if he shared the gold pack with 5 more people, he would make $725 and double his mining power. This would increase his daily return, and if those 5 people shared it with a further 5 people, he would make another $2,700 and so on. Wow, he was fired up. That is when Oscar told Tim that if he bought the platinum package, he would increase his return even further, as he would have more gold, silver, and 70 times more digital mining power than the original pack, which would greatly compound his daily payout return. Oscar finished showing Tim that if he started with the Ambassador or Platinum packs, he would also qualify for Ambassador leadership bonuses, as well as other fantastic rewards that the company gave them in recognition of achieving the rank of Ambassador or higher. Oscar showed Tim his office, where he had his Golden Portrait Ambassador reward, his 24-karat gold-plated iPad, and his gold iPhone. But what really got Tim's attention was the gold Rolex and the cash flow he was generating. Tim knew without a doubt what he had to do and decided to shoot for Ambassador.